Let's select the wall and then click on OK. Yes, see, the wall has been selected. Now in swept walls, let's look at the first flange. So select flange, and then we have to select an edge. See, this is flange. If you want, you can increase this length. See, you can set any length and you can also change the angle. I'll set it to 120. As you guys can see, it's been set to 120. Then within length, we have various length types. You have the length from this bend to down, or you have the total length. See, the total length, that'll be a perpendicular length, okay? Then this, then the length from the end, and this is the proper length along the line, okay? So we have 4 types of lengths in total. We had looked at this in wall on side and wall on edge. But let's look at the features here, okay? We have basic and relimited. Let's look at relimited first. Here we can set a limit. We have limit 1 and limit 2. We had looked at this in surface, but anyways, let's select a point here. That's 1 point. Click on OK. Then the next point. Okay, that's the next point. Okay. See, we have relimited it. This is the relimited type flange. Let's also look at basic. So now I've only given it in this wall. Let's see how it will be when I reverse direction. Okay. Then let's select this and unselect it. And then let's select something with tangency. See, we can select any type of element, but it needs to have tangency. Okay, it has to be a tangent. See? As you guys can see, this is how it'll be. We can change the angle for all of it together. So the change will occur accurately since it's together. Then we can decrease the angle. Okay, let's look at another one as well. Basic. I'm removing this. And then I'm selecting one edge. Then if I select propagate, everything with tangents will be selected. See? It has been selected automatically.